Hi friends, hope your week is off to a good start. I know mine is. Yesterday I went to my very first basketball game, which was really fun. It was Raptors versus Clippers, which was exciting because we got to see Kawhi, who just left the Raptors, even though he was playing for the Clippers. It was pretty funny. There were a lot of Toronto fans there and they kept screaming, "Traitor!" every time he was taking a penalty shot. It's good. All in good fun though. I obviously don't have a vested interest in that, so yeah. I just opened up this package from Banish and I wanted to show it to you. I'm pretty excited about it. So Banish sent me, this is their acne kit, their clear face kit. I don't know. I will link it down below because I forget exactly what it's called, but it's their kit they put together for people who have acne prone skin. And I'm super excited to try out some of these products, especially this one because this is a little micro needling tool. I've never tried microneedling before and certainly I've never tried it on myself. It does say that you need rubbing alcohol, so I have to see if I even have any so I can try it, but because you have to sterilize this. Like you fill up this cap to the fill line, then you twist this on and then let it sterilize the needles, which is obviously important. By the way, I've started incorporating more oils into my skincare routine, and literally, this is just in the past week maybe that I've been doing it, and I can feel a difference in my skin texture already. Like my nose feels so much smoother than it ever has. Usually my nose, when I run my finger over it, just feels like a little rough unless I've moisturized or unless I've exfoliated like right before. Yeah, so been very excited about that. I'm excited to try this oil, but I do want to put on this mask because a mask sounds nice to start our day. This is the Banish Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. Okay, it's 9:30, that's perfect. At 10, I'm gonna start to get ready so I can film a video that should actually be up by the time this vlog is up. It's gonna be like a 10 outfits for when you don't have anything to wear or something like that. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna call it yet. So I'll have that linked down below. Ooh, look at this. Oh yeah, that's pumpkin-y. It just smells like straight up pumpkin. I love it. Let's go try this out. I'm just gonna use this little flat brush here to put it on my face because it is like very wet, for lack of a better word. Ooh, it feels very cold. What a nice product for fall. Not that you can't use pumpkin products year round, but especially nice for fall. Oh, other more exciting news from the basketball game. Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello were there. Obviously, that's what I was most excited for. And I watched them for the large majority of the game. And they were obviously rooting for Toronto since that's where he's from. Is she from there as well? Probably not. And so I felt like I still understood what was going on in the game because anytime they would cheer, it made something good happen for the Raptors. Natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. It's great, just what I like to see. Let dry 15 to 20 minutes and wash off. Use 1 to 3 times a week to exfoliate skin. You may feel a mild tingle. That's normal. I do feel a mild tingle. Okay, great. I'll let you guys know how my skin is feeling when I'm all finished with this. Okay, it is a little bit later. A little bit later than I originally planned. I was just working, going through emails and getting my Monday Cravings IGTV up, so I don't feel bad that it's a little bit later than I wanted to start filming. To rinse off my mask, I'm going to use this Banish All Clear Mint Cleanser. My skin feels nice. Would you guys want to see a whole video on my skincare? I've really nailed down something right now that has been working for me really well. It's a really simple process, and I don't know, if you guys are interested, I would definitely share it with you. All right, and now let's try some of this Banish oil here. Feels very strange on my skin, actually. It feels like thicker than usual oil. Okay, I'm gonna get ready and start filming. Alrighty, just finished filming. Oh my gosh. It's like a mess in my living room from all of this, but my bedroom is the real issue because I filmed a fashion video, so there is clothes everywhere. It's gonna be such a bitch to put away. But I'm just gonna suck it up and do it right now so that I don't have to deal with it later. I think that's the move. Alrighty, my place is all cleaned up now and I am just heading out because Tara and I are doing a work day today at Bluestone, so that's where we're headed. let's do it. All right, made it to Bluestone, got a latte. I haven't mixed yet because look at how pretty it looks. Gorgeous. Of course, the Alpha toast. Of course, Tara. And I am hungry since I haven't eaten yet today, so I'm very excited for this toast. Okay, we've been here for a couple of hours now, working away, and now we are done and we are going to go grocery shopping because there's a Trader Joe's right across the street here, so very convenient. Then heading home. All right, into Trader Joe's. Yep.
This.
Oh, wow.
Truffle ravioli.
Yes.
I mean, we have to.
I am getting this.
Yep.
And sriracha tofu.
Oh my god. It's the man.
What are you crying about? What? Come here. Oh my gosh. You're a crazy girl. Come here, you wanna play? Just unloaded all of my groceries. I wanted to show you a few special things that I picked up. Everything but the bagel dip, which I am so excited for. And I got these sweet potato crackers to dip with. Definitely have to try those tonight. And then I got this porcini mushroom and truffle ravioli, which looks amazing. Most of this stuff is like regulars, and then this is something new as well, matcha almond beverage. We'll have to try this tomorrow. So I think for dinner, I'm just gonna make that ramen shrimp dish that I make a lot. If you wanna see the recipe, you can go check it on my Instagram. It's on my IGTV under one of my Monday cravings. But I am pretty hungry, so very excited to chow down on that. And glad I have this yummy snack to have later. You have food, you have water. Is your life hard as a cat? You have a hard life. Your life is hard. If you don't want me to hold you and give you attention, then what the hell do you want from me? I'm confused. She's just standing on me, trying to figure out her way out of this. Where are you trying to go? She is not. Oh my gosh, Molly. You are lucky I'm such a good mother and caught you. There she goes. That's fake dinner. Not my prettiest, but it will be super, super delicious. I'm very excited. Guys, this everything but the bagel dip is blowing my mind. I just ate a bunch of it with those sweet potato crackers, and now I chopped up a little bit of bell pepper. The bell pepper is freaking amazing dipped into this. I'm like sort of losing my mind. I also poured myself a glass of wine. So this is Josh. Cab Sav. Alrighty, it's about an hour later now. I just finished up my wine, which was super delicious. Love that. And now I thought it would be fun to try that matcha latte drink. I know I said I was gonna try it tomorrow, but I'm sort of curious. Tara tried it and I wanna compare what I think about it to what she thinks about it. So what Tara said is basically that it just tastes like almond milk, not super matcha-y. Super matcha. End of a long day. Let's give this a try. I'm going to drink some out of my cute little Molly mug. Actually, speaking of, if you missed it, I released holiday merch. So there's a Christmas Molly mug. There's also a very Molly Christmas sweater. It has my little logo on the front here in red. And then Molly Cat on the back. So cute. And then probably my favorite as well is a white wine Christmas. So it has this cute little doodle. These wine glasses, which I drew by hand myself. And then on the back here, it says, I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, but if the white runs out, I'll drink the red. Very exciting stuff. And the sweaters are so freaking soft and comfortable. The insides are like so fuzzy. I even already washed them just because I wanted to see how that was. And they stayed super soft on the inside, totally nice on the outside. I cropped the bottom of mine just because you guys know I like to crop the bottom of all of my sweaters. But I've been like living in these ever since I got my orders in, and yeah, very happy. Okay, let's try some of this matcha drink. I'm only gonna pour a little bit because I don't need like a full thing right now. And a straw. That's actually really good. I like it. But I do see what Tara means where like it's basically just almond milk, but there is a slight matcha flavor. And it's non-dairy. I mean, obviously it's made with almond milk, but you know, there's nothing else in there. I could probably make it a little bit more matcha-y with some matcha powder that I have in here if I wanted to. But all in all, I'm not mad at it. I really like the taste of almond milk. It's my favorite milk substitute, so I feel fine about that. Something else, by the way, I just opened up this cute little gift from Medina's Jewels. I love them. I get a lot of my jewelry from them, and let's see. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's a little paperclip link necklace chain, and then it says Jill on it. That is adorable. Love it. Definitely going to be wearing this. Thank you to Medina's Jewels. I think they sent this out to a bunch of people. I saw it on a few people's stories, so super kind of them to include me in that list because I'm such a big fan of theirs. Honestly, I think I'm gonna spend the rest of my night just sitting here on the couch, relaxing with Molly and watching Gossip Girl. I am on season 6, episode 1 now. I've been flying through. I'm pretty sure season 6 is the last season. So I guess I'll probably just end the vlog here. If you guys hadn't noticed, I'm switching up my upload schedule just a little bit. It's not permanent, or it might be permanent, but I'm not committing to anything. It's just I'm playing around with uploading twice a week on my main channel, twice a week on my vlog channel. So for now, I like switch the days that I upload my vlogs to make room for more main channel uploads. But I'm not like committing to uploading twice a week on my main channel. It's just if I have time to get it done, then I want to. But if I don't want to beat myself up for it, especially with Vlogmas coming up, because that's such a bitch. Oh God, what a nightmare. Things I get myself into. Okay, thank you guys for watching today's vlog. I'll catch you in my next one.